So what's up everybody, welcome to Data. So today I'm going to show you how to download Capcut Pro video editor in Windows, in any Windows. So mine one is Windows 10. So first of all you have to open your browser. So my browser is Google Chrome. Then you have to search Capcut.com. Let's search it. So when you search it, you will find a page of official website of Capcut. In the Capcut website, you will see two options. One is get started for free and other one is download for Windows. So the first option is for only who edit the videos in online. So we don't need it because you will not get benefit by it. So I rather suggest you to, if you want to download the software, so click on the download for Windows, just click it. So I have already downloaded the software. So in the next video, I will show you how to install it. So I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, goodbye.